Give me slime.
Alright, pull it up, Milan.
Pull it.
Pull it up. Show them. Yeah. Alright. Just play with it in the camera.
Oh! You mixed it.
Alright, first you're gonna do this, okay?
I know what to do.
Yep, I know. Smile.
Mommy, I can't know. Ew. And I smell like lick leopard.
Keep mixing it.
Mix. Wet. I can mix it. Oh. Ew. And now look at my slime. And then that, it looks like snakes. That. Get off. Get off me. Get off. Get off. I better wash my hands.
You gotta get it off.
How do I get off?
Oh, you gotta put two.
Nothing. I think I like to mix. I want to put all of this.
You gonna use this one?
I'm going to put all of it. I'm going to put all of it.
Yeah, hold on. You might have to put a little bit more.
A little bit more. Okay. That. How do I get out?
Alright, you gotta add a little bit at a time until it gets to slime. Just add a little bit more.
Okay. I'm ready.
Here, put some more. You start mixing. Alright, now start mixing again. Just put it on the side. No. Take
Need
that.
some help.
Put it on the side. It's okay. You can make a mess.
Mix the mix.
Yep. Go ahead. Oh, it's got slime all over me. No, not on the table. On the thing.
Let me get me some lick.
Oh!
Look. Oh, yeah. 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 Can't reach the liquid. I put a little bit of lick in there.
You got it right there. Alright, that's enough, Malin.
Okay.
Alright, we're gonna put this right here now. Oh, you're having a crazy time over here.
Just want to play with it.
I know.
Don't like to mess up on my camera. Why? Because I don't like to. That's fun to play. Oh, it looks like Melsabar. It looks like Melsabar.
I need you to put the bowl like in the middle so we could.
Melsabar. I want to make hamburgers.
Malin, can you put your bowl right here too and mix it?
Please.
Thank you.
Make some castles.
Hold on.
Oh, almost slime. Almost Play-Doh slime.
Is it turning into slime yet?
Yeah. Not yet, Mommy. Oh!
Malin, mix it over here a little bit more. A little bit, yes, perfect.
Ooh, my slime is already turned into slime.
It's already turning into slime?
Yep. I have to get this slime out. Hand castles. I don't like them mess up on my fingers.
You gotta touch the slime.
I don't like to mess up on my fingers. Don't like. Well, okay, right, Mommy?
Oh, I think you're done with the magic liquid.
No.
No, I mean like you have good slime now.
Get slime?
Yeah, let me see.
Mine's not shiny yet.
I know you gotta keep.
Hey, I want to make.
Alright, mix it right here. Like put your hand right there and mix it. On the closest to the table, right here.
On the table.
No, just show it in the camera. I need you to show it in the camera. Over here more. Camera's over here, Mama. Right here. Right here. Yep.
Then look that.